Hi everyone, here you are listening to Hurani First Podcast. We are going to talk about the benefits of using contraception today. Most of us may already know and hear about it, but let's emphasize it together through the story of Caroline. Jen went to visit her friend Caroline because she gave birth. They hadn't met for a long time and were happy to see each other again. Jane noticed that Caroline seemed to be having a hard time with the baby because she is the only raising and caring for her children after her husband left for work. As a best friend, Caroline says she and her husband didn't expect to get pregnant, but they had to give birth to the baby. Her daughters are 5 and 1.5 years, and she just given birth 3 months ago. As the conversation went on, James suggested Caroline to use contraception. However, Caroline didn't seem to be impressed, even she tried to tell her the benefits that it brings, such as using contraception helps women and couples decide freely and responsibly if they want to have children, when and how many. It's also an excellent method of birth control and protects against various diseases like cancer. Healthcare providers can help women to choose the best contraception. A few months later, Caroline reached out Jane to help her and her husband in use of contraception. Caroline and her husband are grateful for the benefits they have received from using contraception. Therefore, Caroline compared her life before using contraception and now she is using it. It looks like this. She had experienced constant anxiety before using contraception because she is worried about getting pregnant. Then she also had various health problems such as fatigue and bleeding that weren't uncommon. On the other hand, when she used contraception, she found peace of mind because their childbirth are controlled, and for sure they have no doubts about the possibility of unwanted pregnancy again. Her health was assured too. In addition, the most important to them is their ability to balance the economy, that is, to save money as their cash flow decreases. Here, we and Caroline encourage you to use contraception to control childbirth. The healthcare providers are always willing to help you to choose contraception that suits your health and needs at an affordable price. Don't hesitate to reach out healthcare center. If you love your family, take care of childbirth. For additional information, visit www.cdc.gov. Thank you for listening and looking forward to talk to you next time.